Hello, I'm Catherine Daniels from Washington State University. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a list of pesticides registered in Washington which have been approved by WSDA for compliance with I-692. If you have never used PICOL and you haven't listened to the main tutorial, you should stop this session, listen to the main tutorial first, then come back to this one afterwards. Let's start with the search screen that opens when you access the PICOL database, the PICOL Simple Search. In the area that contains the state checkboxes, make sure that Washington is selected. Check that year of registration is set at current year only. In the Item to Search On box, scroll down and select I-502, I-692. PICOL lists both of these initiatives together because the crop system is the same. Leave the logic operator at the default EQ or equals, and then in the Common Name box, choose Yes. Click the Submit Query button to tell the database to perform the requested search. On the Search Results page, you can see that today there are 216 matching labels. This number will vary on a daily basis depending upon the registration status of the products. In order to view the results, we must first format the labels and choose our output. The standard output comes out as a table, and it's the easiest one to view. The All output is limited to about 20 labels. So in this case, we're going to leave it at standard and go down and view our labels. This is a list of labels that meet the I-692 crop criteria. If the name is underlined, there is a PDF available. Please make sure that you only use the PDF with the WA initial behind it, because that's from Washington. Let's say you have a specific pest problem you're trying to control. You can refine this query to identify labels appropriate for that pest. To do that, select the Refine Query button. Notice that there is a new Boolean operator term, AND. This term will allow you to take the pool of labels you've already found and search for more specific uses just within that pool. So in the Item to Search On, arrow down to Pest. Leave the logic operator set at EQ, and in the Common Name box, let's select Spider Mite. Again, we're going to submit the query. As you can see, we've dropped the number of labels down to 75. Let's format those labels, and using the standard output, go ahead and view them. You now have a list of labels that are compatible with 692 for the current year against spider mites. You can move the search results into a spreadsheet by selecting the Export to Excel button, where you can then manipulate the data as you choose. Just a reminder, you must read the pesticide label to determine if the uses fit your situation, because some labels may be more suitable than others. In the next slide, I'll summarize the PICOL search information that I just used and give you a web link to the I-692 lead agency.